Hello everyone, welcome back to this Python programming series. In this video, we are looking at variable and its type, the assignment operator and the print statement. Now, if you look here, this is the assignment operator, this is the print statement, and these are the variable and its type. Now, most of you might be familiar with this. These are C++, also using C++, Java, and other programming languages. There is also one other data type which is called string. For now, we will not be working on string because it is it requires a separate video because it's in-depth working. Now, talking about variables. First of all, the integer data type. If some of you are not completely familiar with programming and what are the data types, then don't worry. Integer are basically real whole numbers. Suppose 1, 4, 7, 89, doesn't matter. Just not in points. These points ones are called float or double, real numbers. Now, the bool. Bool has only two types, 1 and 0. It's either a true or a false. These are basically used to represent a flag in Python. Now, there are some programming variable rules in Python. Now, these are the rules. A variable must start with a letter or the underscore character, meaning it should start with the alphabet or supposedly with this. You cannot use numbers or special characters to start a variable name. A variable name cannot start with a number, as I said before, and can only contain alphanumeric characters, underscores, A to Z, and this only. No special characters can be in the variable name. Variable names are case sensitive. We will look into this after we start the coding. Now, to start your Jupyter notebook, you just need to go to CMD and type Jupyter notebook here and press enter. Then this should open. Now from here you just click new and Python 3 and it will load. Now after this, supposedly first you want to make a variable of int. You suppose you say var. This is a variable. Now to assign it a value, first there are two things you need for a variable. First, the name and the value. Now to assign a value to a variable, suppose you have a box here named var. You need to put a value of 10 in this. You just need to use the assignment operator. Whatever is written on the right of this assignment operator, this is the assignment operator. Whatever is written on the right moves to the left side and is assigned to the left variable. So basically now var has a value 10 and 10 is an integer. In Python, data types are assigned automatically, but in C++ and Java, data types are not assigned automatically. You have to write before them like int or float, stuff like this. But in Python, you don't do that. Once I write var is equal to 10, it automatically decided that this is an integer data type. Now, if you want to check, we just need to use the print command. The print command is used to display stuff on the console screen. Suppose I just want to print what is in var and just press Alt enter and you can see it says 10. This is an integer. If you're still not sure, then just write this. The type function is actually used to tell which data type we're using right now if you're not sure. As you can see, it says int. Now suppose you want a float number, you can write 10.5 and press enter. It says now float because we're using a decimal point now. And now there is one more, bool. Bool basically works like this: flag equal to true. Now this means this is true, and if I press Alt enter, it's still saying float. I need to write flag here. Oh yeah. Now it says it's a bool because I changed the data type. Now what is meant by case sensitive here? It was saying variables names are case sensitive. By case sensitive, it meant that suppose you have a variable and you have 10 assigned it here. And suppose you make another variable and I assigned it 20. Now, most might be thinking that this is the same thing, but actually no. By case sensitive, it means that small uppercase and lowercase makes a difference. So this and this is a different thing. Var and capital var are different data types. But if I write it as this, its value will be 20 because it's not the same, as you can see. But if I change it and then type var, I will get 10. See, these are different. Now, these are the basic rules for naming variables in Python, and you have learned the Python variables and print statement and the assignment statement. Now, that will be all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video.